We made it to San Jose. We're on the Winchester Street. Isabella. We made it to the Winchester house. Ooh, what is this? Cool. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, but you're not touching anything.
Oh, come on, don't touch.
Oh, look at unicorn plushie. Let me see others.
Come on, Isabella. Let's check this out. This is the courtyard. They have a little gun shooting area. Isn't this lovely? The garden entrance. We could show check that out.
There's a ride in there, I think.
Because mommy needs as much information about this as I can get by the way.
The Winchester Rifle Museum. I'm not sure. Because it's not working.
Old time movies.
For old time movies.
Mom loves bubbles. I'm trying to see how you hold something that big. I mean,
You need to help with
that's
that.
just
You gotta prop part of it on the top of your horse.
We'll get this one on top.
This was the first repeater rifle, very famous for being the first company that did rifling on a rifle. Rifling is when it is no longer a ball, but a bullet that circulates the barrel to out and improves speed and accuracy. So awesome. That's what I want right there, that bad boy. That'd still be a good gun to this day. Is a good gun. Yeah, a little cannon. And I'm pretty sure it's real, and it fires a ball. Sorry, I didn't buy more.
They don't need it, but if they have, we have a lot of snacks in the car.
It's candy, kids like candy.
Whoa, Isaiah.
Good one. Watch out. When we walk on the right hand side. Come on, I see a ghost.
Ghost.
Open the windows, we might see one. Dog, I'm scared. Yeah, you. Look, a ghost, Mama.
Oh, you're just kidding.
Look, Barney.
Barney. The foreman's house.
apple.
Ooh.
Like a water tower nowadays. How you see the water towers? That's just bigger, but that's what
Oh,
this
look.
is. You put the
Primrose
tin top.
jasmine.
Careful, guys.
Wonder if it smells. I'm gonna smell it. I couldn't smell anything.
Susie.
Tank house. Yes, Naraya.
Was that was those real apples or fake?
So this is like the sewing, you know?
Yeah,
And outdoor plumbing.
yeah. The where they kept their water. Wait, this was the pump house. Mike, what do they mean by pump house?
Pump house is where the pumps to run the water.
Oh.
So that's where they kept the tank, and this is where the pumps were at.
Oh, Reva, look at over here. This is
So it's basically an outdoor sewage system.
I mean, this is probably one of the first places. they have
this is
running water
beautiful.
like that, other than a well.
Was that a real apple or fake apple? Or was it?
I think it was a real apple,
She had
or
enough
maybe
money
fake.
To have running water.
A little thinking plus.
The first working porcelain toilet was created by Thomas Crapper.
What's his name again?
Thomas Crapper.
Did you guys get that?
I know a little bit of history.
Isn't this nice? I
So
love.
mysterious. Like I want to look at it.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful inside.
So it always haunted her what her family started. Yeah, come here, guys. Let's see what this is. Don't walk off, Isaiah. Yeah, a ghost is gonna take you.
What is a gaslighting shot?
Don't stand close, somebody's gonna jump out.
Isaiah, come back. Hello.
Like this?